Hi everyone, I hope you're having an excellent day. Today we're making a very easy and healthy dinner. And of course yummy. It's pepper and beef stir fry. Let's take a look. You can find the written recipe in the description or in the first comment. This stir fry goes best with just plain steamed white rice. So start with your rice pot first before starting making our stir fry. Tip: prepare the marinade first before slicing and mixing the beef with the marinade, so you only need to wash your hands once. Be sure to slide against the grain for maximum tenderness. This beef marinade is called velveting, which is a Chinese technique that makes the beef more tender and juicier. I'm using Anaheim pepper, which is widely available. I got mine from Kroger. It's very mild in spiciness. You can certainly eat it raw. If you like spicier, go with hatch pepper or long hot pepper. You can also go with green bell, but that would not be my first recommended option. We are doing a stir fry, so it is very important that we heat up our pan properly to prevent food sticking and to have a nice searing. At the end of the written recipe, you will find a list of where to find all the ingredients and items that I use in this recipe. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to help out my tiny channel, there's many ways to do that. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.